Hello, in this video I will show you how to install the command line tools on Apple Silicon M1 without installing Xcode. Why would you want to do that? First, the command line tools is a relatively small download versus the full Xcode IDE. You will also need the command line tools installed if you want to be able to compile C or C++ programs from the terminal. Lastly, installing the command line tools will let you install Homebrew, the macOS package manager. OK, open a terminal and write the next command, xcode-select --install. Choose install and accept the command line tools license. Done. Now we can check the C and C++ compiler version. As you can see, by default, on an Apple Silicon machine, Clang will generate an ARM64 executable. As a side note, it is also possible to create an x86-64 executable, but this is outside the scope of this tutorial. Next, I will show you how to compile and run a simple C program that will fill an array with values and print the array content. While I am using Vim to write this example, feel free to use your preferred text editor like Sublime Text, Visual Studio Code, and so on. When you compile a C or C++ program, it is always a good idea to specify the version of the standard you want to use. In this particular case, we'll use the C17 standard, enable all warnings, and pass the pedantic option to the compiler. For our example, this will ensure that we are using only the ISO C17 functionality. Next, I will show you how to compile and run a simple C++ program that fills a vector with integers and prints the vector elements. In this case, we'll use the C++17 standard. Thanks for watching and please like, share and subscribe.